revenue function. Revenue means what? Revenue is the amount of money received from the sales of the goods. Okay. So, related with the revenue, we are going for a revenue function. Now, a small definition. Now, revenue function depends upon the selling price of the product and the actual quantity sold. So, as I told you that revenue means what? The amount of the money received from the sales of the goods. So, same revenue function now, that was revenue. Now, revenue function depends upon selling price of the product or the commodity and the actual quantity sold. Now, total revenue is equal to quantity sold times selling price per unit of the commodity. Now, suppose we are having capital R. Now, if capital R is the total revenue collected by the seller on selling X units of the commodity, on selling X units of the commodity at price P per unit, then what we are writing? R is equal to P of X, and revenue function becomes revenue function R is Rx is equal to Px. Now, relating demand function and revenue function. Now, also by demand function the price per unit P may be expressed as a function of x. For example, P is equal to, suppose we are dealing that another function as gx, then in place of this P we can just write it gx. So, our revenue function can be written as x times g of x. Either this one is also okay, but correlating with the demand function we can write it revenue function is equal to x times g of x.